Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore your Windows 10 laptop or computer using a system image you created earlier. So this is my VM, so I'm just going to log on to it. There's no password. Just wait for it to load in. Right, this is just a clean install. And what I've done in a previous video, I created a system image and I put it on a backup drive, which was called E. And there it is. So what we're going to do now, we're going to restore that image. So click File Explorer, start typing Control Panel until you see the word, select Control Panel, and then go Category, Small Icons. Now we're looking for Recovery, so we click on Recovery, and then we want, if you're having a problem with your PC, go to Settings and try resetting it. So we're going to click this. And what we're going to do, we're going to go for the advanced option. So click Restart Now. And we want to troubleshoot. So select this option and then select Advanced. If you select Reset this PC, what you can do is reset it back to factory. It'll wipe everything clean as if it's just come out the box. But we've got an image which we know worked perfect and it's all set up the way we like it. So we're going to click on Advanced. And we're going to go to System Image Recovery. Shouldn't take too long now. Right, it's going to select the user that was on the system. I just had the one account I called user for the purpose of the demo. If you had your name, it would be your name there, and it would ask for a password if there is one set. Like I said, there's no password, so I'm going to just click continue. And now what it's going to do is search for any images I've made, and voila, there we go. On my backup drive, I have the image I created earlier. So I'm going to click next and next and finish. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. And this is going to do the restore. So what I'll do now, I'll pause this until it's nearly at the end. And then we'll pick up where I just left off. As you can see, the restore is nearly finished. And this has taken about, in real time, about 8 to 10 minutes. So like I said, I give it a quick pause just so we can keep the video short. Do you want to restart now? Yes, we do. And it's just booting up for the first time now from the restored image. So if I just click there and just log back in, you'll see it's worked fine, and that is how to perform a restore in Windows 10. There you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.